Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna make some bread. I have the ingredients here: 3 and 1/2 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 cup melted butter, 2 medium size of egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk that's already mixture. So for now we have to warm the milk. After it warm, we add the sugar and the dry yeast. Then after that we have to let it rest for like about 10 minutes before we adding the remaining ingredients. So for now I have to start. Bye.